Okay, now he's gonna plane it because the width of the door is just a little too wide, so this is a technique we use to run the door off.
Now, this is very important, people. When you're gonna hinge your door, please make sure you have
The crown.
the crown.
And what we mean by the crown is there's a bow in the door. Every door has a bow.
Right down this. If you look straight down there, if it runs this way, you want this side to hit the frame where the lock's gonna be at. You don't want it going the opposite way. That's a rookie mistake if somebody does that.
And a lot of times when they have pre-fit doors, whoever set them up and put them together at the shops, they have a tendency to be crowned the wrong way. And the purpose of that is so when you close your door, it hits at the top and it hits at the bottom.
And this is a old school door boot.
This is a homemade door boot.
This is homemade.
I could never be an office kind of worker guy. Never. Office, retail, nothing like that. Let's see if I can get you, show you. Okay, see the curve in the door? On the edge? On this edge right here. You look down it, you can see it's bone.
This is the goodie part, right?
Okay, and then this is the old school painted. Everything we use is old school, and they don't make these no more. These are very, very hard to come across. These are the best ones they have.
And they don't make them no more.
We don't know why they stopped doing that.
It's a porta cable planer for doors. And if you're a Finch carpenter and you ain't got one of these, you ain't a Finch carpenter. They can bust your bubble.
You could still get it done with the ones they have on the market nowadays,
But you ain't got one. You ain't
but they're not good. And then you'll get some people that would say, why don't you just use a skill saw?
See right there.
Well, you can.
There's a beveler on this. This thing has a beveler. It bevels the door. So it'll put a 5, 10, whatever degree you want on that door. So this collapses to give you a bevel, and you always want like around a 5 to a 7 degree bevel. I usually go with about a 5, maybe sometimes a 3 to a 5.
And there's another way to do this. Like before you even go, you get your pencil, you draw a little line all the way 3 marks. And when you do use the planer, it'll show you what you're taking off, so it'll take off the pencil mark. And then you'll get that level. In a minute, it'll show you the level.
Right now, what I'm doing, I'm not beveling it.
Yeah, no,
I'm putting
these are the hinge side.
I'm putting a flat plane on it,
He's putting a clean surface. He wants a clean surface.
and then I'll bevel it.
Bevel the other side. And the side you bevel is the side that goes where the doorknob goes.
On this particular one, I'm not doing that. This is where the lock's gonna be at. The only reason why I'm doing this right now is because I wanna make sure that my hinge side is flat when I put hinges on it. I don't want no waves or anything in it. So I need to take another 1/8 inch off. So I got 2 or 3 more passes left to do.
He's making it flat, so there ain't, because most of the
But I will put a bevel on it.
a lot of times they come bevel. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna let him do what he guys will do. I'll come back to you right now.